Let's go back to the chart here and let's take a look at Lucid. Now, we've talked a lot about Lucid in the past. I know that there are a lot of folks that end up trading this. If we take a look at the intraday chart here, you can really kind of get an appreciation for what happened. On Tuesday, we had a rumor about bankruptcy and going private. That actually sent the stock down into a two-handle. Very shortly after that rumor broke, we had someone from the company deny that that was the case. It bounced back. Yesterday, it got back and actually went higher from that initial drop-off period. And this morning in the pre-market, it's actually staying sideways. So Lucid looks like it got everything back here and perhaps ready to move higher. Now, Lucid stock, which is down about 44% on the year, skyrockets over 28% after the CEO goes on the offensive against the bankruptcy report. Quote, so far from the facts. So they normally don't comment, as we're going to see here, but I thought that this would at least be relevant, especially for those of you that trade EV names or Lucid in particular. Lucid Group, ticker LCID, the CEO Silvio Napoli on Wednesday slammed rumors of the automaker filing for bankruptcy following reports. The automaker's CEO took to social media platform LinkedIn, saying that the company did not generally comment on rumors, but then added that reports were so far from the facts that they required a direct response. Napoli said that the automaker was, quote, not considering bankruptcy or a transaction to take the company private, end quote. And he said that the reports were flat out false. He said the board has also not explored any such scenarios. Quote, as disclosed in our most recent quarterly filing, Lucid has sufficient liquidity to fund its operations well into next year, end quote. That came again from Napoli. He added that outside advisors had not advised the company to file for bankruptcy and that the reports of any such advice were also untrue. Quote, my priority is clear. Turn this company around. That is where the leadership team and I are focused, end quote. And he went on to add that the company will be providing a full update during its upcoming earnings call. Now, Lucid stock has been volatile since the beginning of the year. Year to date, Lucid stock has fallen nearly 44% to just under $6 per share. However, following the CEO, as well as the company's pushback against the reports, Lucid rebounded over 28% and currently trades for $5.95 per share during the pre-market trading on Thursday. For the second quarter of 2026, the automaker produced 4,774 vehicles and delivered 3,953 units amid a series of changes in its leadership. The company's chief communications officer, Nick Twork, had earlier denied rumors of bankruptcy, saying that the automaker had delivered a cease and desist letter to the outlet behind the report. Twork had also noted that the bankruptcy and take private claims, quote, have been publicly and unequivocally denied, end quote. And that was, of course, by Lucid.